Marketmind, fasten your seatbelts. Examine the day ahead in markets from Anshuman Daga. Just as investors have been starting to get extra confident about a gentle touchdown for the arena's largest financial system, with robust jobs boom and cooling inflation, China is gambling spoilsport. A slew of facts from the second-large street economy ignored marketplace forecasts on Monday, forcing the imperative bank to abruptly cut key lending prices in a bid to shore up call for hobbled via Beijing's zero-COVID coverage and a property sector slowdown. Business output growth neglected estimates, whilst retail income grew but underneath the 3.1% pace seen in June. The move to decrease borrowing costs failed to supply any meaningful elevate to Chinese stocks and dragged down broader sentiment for Asian equities. Economists now see little threat of China accomplishing 55.5% boom in the second one-half. With no primary local financial records scheduled nowadays, European markets may take direction from weaker U.S. stock index futures. Markets see identical odds of the Fed hiking by 50 basis points or 75 foundation factors in September. And even though recession dangers are growing in UK, that is unlikely to save you the Bank of England from elevating borrowing expenses once more with the aid of a bumper 50 foundation factors subsequent month, a ballot forecast, as inflation seems possibly to push into double digits. Inflation is centrestage within the conflict to pick Britain's subsequent Prime Minister, as strain mounts from the principal opposition festivity. A celebration supply mentioned the Labour Party will name for the power price cap to be frozen this autumn, to help the general public deal with another anticipated surge in electricity payments throughout the worst cost of living crisis in decades. On the company front, Scandinavian airline SAS struck a deal to raise $700 million financing because it goes via bankruptcy. Key trends that could affect markets on Monday: China's retail, manufacturing unit sectors suddenly sluggish in July, Japan's financial system degrees modest jump from COVID jolt, global outlook darkens, New York Fed Manufacturing Index August, Fed's Christopher Waller speaks on banking and finance.